So 22 plate BMW X5, which has just come in for us for our Pro Blackvue installation. So I'll just give you a quick resume, if you have one of these vehicles, on what can be expected if we install the one of the Blackvue cameras. So this particular one is an LTE with a cloud connectivity. So you can see here, rear camera, the only visible wire is just that little section there. The rest of it, obviously no other wires. Everything's been routed as per the manufacturer wiring. And then I'll just show you here. So we've got inside here, obviously I can show you just right in the edge. This is what we do. Obviously the cabling is just tucked up nicely into there, so you can hardly see that. So just that. But yes, that's how the main camera fits. So hardly any wiring at all, and obviously from the driver's perspective you won't really see the camera at all, because obviously it's going to be blocked by the rear view mirror. This is fully wired for parking mode, so it will go in and out of parking mode when the vehicle is locked, as well as it's got battery monitoring as well. So we set it for the voltage to trigger at about 12 or 12.1 volts, so the battery won't drain down on the vehicle. We can also add a battery pack if you want extended parking mode. This customer's just opted for just the camera running off the vehicle battery itself, because he uses it a lot. So yeah, if you've got one of these vehicles or any other BMW and you're interested in having the Blackvue dash camera range installed, then please get in touch.